Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial today on this lovely Saturday. This week we are featuring the Cradled in Love stamp set. This is one of our free items you can earn from our celebration event. It's going on through the end of February. And this is 2024. So when you spend $50, you can choose this along with, either or, with all kinds of other items from this mini catalog right here. This is our celebration catalog. We have dies, we have stamps, ribbons, embossing folders, papers, embellishments, you name it, it's in there. So today we are also going to use some paper that's out of our spring mini catalog, or January through April catalog, and this is called Just Kidding. And on one side of the papers we have all kinds of little kids. I love this one. All kinds of little kids. Then on the other side we have different patterns. The back of these kind of remind me of our space paper that has this kind of a similar color palette. So we have a lot to choose from. I like this one right here. Hold on, let me pull it out. Look at that one. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute kids playing outside. And then it's got some different backgrounds that you could do with the cards, you know, for card fronts as well. So I love these. I also love the little kid in the wheelchair with the space, because he's got like a space pajamas, because that would go with our space paper too. So let's get to our cards. Okay, so these are our supplies. We are just using a half sheet of thick basic white. I have this pattern from the designer paper. I don't know which way to go with this. I think I'm going to do my little triangles pointing up. Then I have a piece of white cardstock cut out with our deckled rectangle dies, and then just a little strip of balmy blue. So as you can see, we're going to do a boy baby card. We're going to fold this in half. Super simple. We do have some coloring to do today though, which is not my favorite, but I don't color a whole lot, so, you know, I'll just get over it. Sometimes we got to do what we got to do, right? And I tell that to my friend Pam, who doesn't like to cut things. And I said, Pam, it builds character when you have to do things that you don't like to do. So that's what I'm going to do today, because I don't like to color, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, because some of you do like coloring. All right, so I'm going to take this little rug. We're going to stamp this first. It's going to go a little past the edges, but that's okay. All right, I'm going to stamp this down near the bottom. All right, now I have my crib. And you know, if you just want a cradle part, you could actually stamp this on a piece of cardstock and cut those legs right off. All right, I want all my, this is designed so you can fit all of your cradle on that rug. All right, and then let's see, I'm going to stamp right here on my blue strip, welcome little one. All right, hopefully I'm gonna get this straight. I'm gonna bring it closer to me so I could see it a little bit better. All right, we're gonna stamp two more things. I have got Bundle of Joy. We're gonna just stamp that on the inside. Bundle of Joy. And then we have this little, it's a mobile, or mobile, or whatever you wanna call it. I call it a mobile. So we have this this little hanger that can hang off of the crib and then hold the mobile, but we're going to do it a little different. We're going to take this mobile and I'm going to have it hanging down from where I'm going to put my words. I'm just going to stamp that right in the middle. And let's do our coloring now. Okay, so I am going with 2 shades of blue, and then a green. This is Light Azure Afternoon. And I am going to I'm going to color my whale. Oh, I just went cross-eyed. Okay. So be patient with me. There's our whale. And then I'm going to color my mattress, or my little crib sheet, dark blue. This is just kind of going with the paper. So whatever designer paper you use, if you so choose to use designer paper, that's where you're going to draw your color inspiration from. Now, if you can always just go with cardstock. I am going a little bit out of the lines, but you know what? I'm not going to sweat it. So what I would normally do is take my glasses off and just color without my glasses, but I need to get close. So I think I'm just going to color the whole thing green. There are little lines on this blanket, which you could do little stripes, which are very cute. I am not doing those right now. I may change my mind. This is a Parakeet Party. This is the light Parakeet Party. And I'm just going with these three colors. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use this dark blue on my little blanket. So this is like a little crib sheet set. So it kind of coordinates. We'll just go with that. Cute. Okay. I'm also going to do, let's go ahead and do this little rug. We're gonna do this in the Parakeet Party as well, just for a little more color. And we can color this in pretty quickly. Now, if you have, if you want, you could use both the light and the dark and do a little shading. That's not happening today with me. We're gonna just color quick. But if you wanted to add some shading, you go for it. Okay, this is light balmy blue. Whoa. All right, this is what happens when your markers have been a little bit abused, and I'm afraid mine have. They go through a lot of classes. Let's see if we can get this put back together. If not, I have another one. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to use this right here. That doesn't mean it's bad. Maybe it's just been well loved. What's what we'll call it? Well loved. Okay. I know that the tip of this one is getting a little bit soft because I do use these in class. So, and these are pretty thin. This is going to help me to stay inside the lines using this little tip right here. Okay. So make sure to check back on Monday because I have a really cute project. It's a two-part project. We're going to do a little gift box along with a gift card. So you won't want to miss out on that. Super cute. I don't know, does anybody have any babies coming up in family? We have a baby coming in July. So I'm very excited about that. These little backgrounds, just kind of a hint at a background. Okay. I've missed a tad of blue here. You can always come back and fix that. So excited for, we have a little boy coming. Very excited about that. They're excited too. They had been trying for a little while, so we're all very thankful and looking forward to that. We also have a little, I think it's a boy. It might be a girl. I don't know. We have a niece, a great niece or nephew coming the month after our grandson. So excited for them as well. Okay. I think that's everything colored. That wasn't too painful. So I'm just going to use a little wink of Stella on our mobile or mobile, whatever you want to call it. Might depend on what part of the country you're from. Does that look glittery? Yes. It's a very subtle shimmer, but I can see it. Okay. Now we're going to do some assembly. I'm going to pop this up with some dimensionals. I'm just going to do one in each corner. I think that will work. So this is why you don't color directly on your card front, because with the blends, they actually show through the back. So if you're going to do coloring, make sure that you have, don't color, you know, if this was your card front, don't color right on here. Take another piece, color on it, and then layer it on the card front. All right, let's pop this up. Okay. I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to cover up the top of that so it looks like it's coming down from our sentiment. Cute, 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 cute. And then I have this little bow tied. It's Azure Afternoon. So let's stick this on because bows, we just love bows with babies. Okay, I'm going to stick this right to the bottom of the crib, just like that. The bow, the ribbon for that is from this 3-pack that's in the annual catalog. Perfect for baby cards. We used that the other day. So that's it. Let me show you the little girl card. Isn't that cute? Pink and yellow, blue and green. I love this set. I think it's just so sweet. So I can't wait to show you our card on Monday. It's a little 3x3 gift card, and I'm going to show you how to make a little box to go with it. Perfect for a little baby gift. So I will see you back here on Monday. Make sure to check my blog for a link to the measurements and supplies I used. And then don't forget, this is free with a $50 purchase. Make sure you use the host code so you get a free goodie in the mail as well. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.